Hello, planner friends. My name is Sarah, and I love sharing tips and tricks to help you stay optimized and organized and have fun at the same time. Y'all, I have been uber busy. It has been insane. I don't know how I have been able to handle so many things lately, but I have, and it's all thanks to me kind of like staying on top of things through my planner. I typically plan on multiple planners, but it's been so busy that I have to choose just one. And I've been almost exclusively in my A5 Daily Duo Ring Agenda by Erin Condren. I was in the vertical planner, which I still am, but I'm not doing weekly planning. I'm mainly doing daily right now because I need it. I need it to stay sane. So I'm going to take you through my whole weekly planning process, from my to-do list, how I break up the tasks, kind of my color coding system. So everything is going to be in here, and all of the products I use today will be linked down below. Without further ado, let's jump right in.
Flip through the A5 Daily Duo. You get a notes page at the beginning of the week, a weekly overview page, and each sheet is its own day. So you get an hourly view, a to-do list, and like a blank box at the bottom of the page. I'll be using the Daily Work Basics sticker book by Kell of a Plan. I just got this and did like a flip through haul on them. Each page I don't think has enough stickers for me to use throughout the whole week. So I'm just going in and checking which pages kind of match color wise. So I think I found them, the 3 that match. And I actually really love all of these stickers on these pages, so I'm going to be using all of them. I'm marking them off with little paper clips so I know which ones to come back to. I'll be using some of the functional stickers as well and tying it in with some washi tape. I feel like the graph paper washi tape really goes with the stickers in this spread, and I'm just gonna go ahead and select all of the pages I'm gonna be using. Now let's get started with the planning. I am going to put this graph paper washi tape across the top to cover that brown line. I just thought that looked really cute. And then I have like these letter stickers in my Erin Condren sticker book, and I thought they were really great because they're like a washi finish with the gold. I thought that was really fun. And what I'm doing here is a trick that actually I see Kell of a Plan do in her reels, where she lines the letter stickers up to the ruler so you get like a uniform kind of like a placement of the stickers. I thought that was really cool. I've seen other planner content creators do this online, and I thought that's a really good idea. I'm going to use this checklist, and notice that it doesn't line up completely with the lines. Where I get like a double line, I just use that double line to write my to-do. Now it's time to decorate. As functional as these spreads are going to be, they're also going to be heavily decorated because y'all, these stickers are so cute. I'm a corporate girly. I've been one for like the last probably 13 years of my life, I would say. So these stickers I feel like really represent my life. So that's why I was like so drawn to them. They're so functional, they're so fun to use, and they have like this luxe feeling to them. So I love it. I loved how this weekly checklist spread turned out with everything on it. I don't always have a purpose for the page in the back of the checklist. This week I am actually kind of using it as a journaling spread. Right now my life is going to go through a bunch of changes. For context, I have a corporate job, 9:30 to 6. That's my schedule. But apart from that, I also have a bookkeeping business, and I just started working with like a very great client, and I have like a lot of work on that end. I do a lot of, planning content. So my days are quite busy, and also like my husband and I, we do travel a lot. So I have to manage everything, and I kind of want to journal about that. Now I am going to go ahead and decorate my weekly overview page, and people use this page for different purposes. I like to just kind of write down like my weekly activities and kind of put them here for my review, whether it's workouts or anything like that. I will put them here. So I really like this page, and I have these number stickers from the Happy Planner that I've had in my stash for like, oh my gosh, like 5-6 years. So some of them are getting really old and I need to use them up as soon as possible. So I thought that it would look super cute here. They're a little big for the space, but I still really like the look of it. And now I am planning out my daily. So what I like to do with my daily planner is that I will decorate the whole week, like each page, to kind of have it ready. But I will pretty much plan daily. Like I'll plan probably in the morning or the night before, but at least like it's all decorated, and you gotta have that deco, right? So it's really fun for me, like this whole process of decorating, kind of like scrapbooking, like where you're like enjoying the whole process. There's something so therapeutic about sticking stickers on paper. Let me know in the comments if you feel this way, if you feel that is therapeutic. It's so weird. I almost can't even describe it. So I've been really enjoying that. And these like rose stickers are super cute. I love them so much. And it gives me space for journaling. I didn't like how that looked there, so I'm just gonna save it. Let me know in the comments how you feel about planning with stickers. Are you a functional planner? Do you use stickers when you plan? I go heavy on the stickers, and I feel like I'm not going as heavy as I normally would with these spreads, because the stickers, they're not so big, I would say, and the ones that are big I can place really well, like in the blank spots. So I'm really enjoying this. When I say I'm enjoying this, like I feel like I have reconnected with my planning. Like for a long time I haven't felt that inspired, and that is because I've just been so busy. But I realize the busier I get, the more I need to like unwind, and this is my way to unwind. And does that make sense? I know I'm a little weird, but that's how I feel. And this whole thing, like planning with these stickers, like using different planning methods, like it's been really fun for me. I love it. So if you're enjoying this video so far, definitely hit the like button so I know you enjoy it, and let me know in the comments if you want me to share more daily planning spreads. I know I've mainly shared like weekly planning spreads, like vertical planner, but I can definitely start doing more dailies. And I loved how this little coffee turned out, and this sticker, oh my gosh, I love these really large stickers, especially on Sunday. Like sometimes I have like a lot going on, but like in my to-do list. So I think that just like having these larger stickers is a great contrast. So this is how the whole week turned out, and I already started decorating the other week too, but I just wanted to kind of show y'all also how I plan. So now I'm gonna go fill out the pages. Y'all notice that my nails changed. It's because I decorated this like probably weeks before I even started planning in it. Sometimes I do that when I feel inspired, especially I will just like start planning, especially since I got these new sticker books. I wanted to use them up. So I'm gonna use my color dot marker to kind of create like a little alternate checklist in this emails box, and I'm gonna use my Pentel Plena pen to write down my to-dos. I have my weekly planner. I've kind of like written down an outline of what I am going to be doing during the week. That's how I'm using it right now, kind of like pre-planning. It's worked out for me, this system right now, especially since I don't have time to like decorate 2 spreads. This has been really fun. I mean, I'm really loving my daily planner. And this is just like my journaling spread. I'm kind of gonna do this off camera probably. I'm gonna get started with my weekly overview, and I'm gonna use my mild liners. And this is an Erin Condren highlighter. If you want to know about like the different highlighters, I definitely have a video that you can check out where I like swatch all of the highlighters. But I'm going in and I'm color coding different things, different activities. This kind of helps me get a better view of the week. And I loved how these like mild liners and this Erin Condren highlighter kind of like really go with the colors of the spread. So yeah, like for me, color coding really helps. Like I love it. And now I'm going to use the thinner line to try to write like certain things that are happening each day of the week. I theme my days of the week. The pink is my workouts and the brown is like my courses because I'm taking like a lot of bookkeeping courses. And then my gray is like the evening activities, and like the light cream is things that I have planned to make for dinner. I don't always plan that in advance so much, so I'm just gonna leave that blank for now. And this is my journaling spread. I'm just writing like how I want my life to look like, especially with all these changes. I didn't say it, but pretty soon I'll be leaving corporate life and going back home to work for another job, probably in January. So I am so excited about that. Probably sooner, I don't know. So I'll just kind of leave it for now. And then I am going to use these super cute like fork and spoon stickers to mark my meals for the week. I don't always plan my meals, but I found that it does help me a lot, especially when I'm wanting to make sure that I get food done. And I use Hello Petit paper stickers, especially to kind of write different things that I'll be doing. And usually, like I mentioned, like I plan one day at a time. So I have Monday done. I probably won't do the rest, just like certain things that are going to be happening that I know will be happening. I'll probably set them up. And I've really felt like using a little quote sticker here, and I think this one fit perfectly in this spread. And I love how it's kind of glazed, but you really can't see over it. It's like you had written on it. I don't know. I really love how this daily spread turned out. I block out different things that I do during the day, like my workouts, content planning, or things like that. But I also have like a list of things that I have to do. And I love these like little study stickers by Hello Petit paper. You can really use them for whatever. I like to use them for my study time, like sometimes in the morning. It's the time that I get to do my courses. I'm learning a lot. Like I went to school for accounting, but you know, you always need to learn more. And I feel like I'm getting more knowledge and more practice now that I'm actually working with clients than I have ever. So I really need to kind of make sure that I'm on top of everything. And I just marked down like the time I'm at work, which is a bummer. Like this always gets to be like, I don't know, I probably torture myself. I'm like all of my days at work, but it's okay. I'm working to make that change, you know. My new job will be part-time, will be from home, and it's gonna be bookkeeping. And then apart from that, I'll have time to like work with, my clients. So I am excited about the changes that are coming up. It'll be a while. I still have to like endure these last few months of the year. And I honestly really like my corporate job, but I need to make these changes. This is after the pen. Another nail change because this is after the fact. I just wanted to show y'all like what it looked like my journaling page, how my weekly overview page ended up looking. And then this is what it looks like. Like I take some journaling time, like there's a quote on this side, but there's journaling here and things that come up during the week. My to-do list. Some to-do lists are not like super hefty, like Sundays wasn't as hefty. So yeah, this is how my week turned out.
So that was my weekly planning process in my daily planner. Just as a recap, I like to kind of decorate my pages like maybe Sunday, Friday, Saturday night, sometimes even like weeks before. If I know something's gonna come up, I just go on decorating just to like relax. There's something about sticking stickers in your planner that helps you relax. I don't know. And then daily, I may sit down in the morning or a night before just to kind of put my thoughts down. If there are tasks that I don't routinely do, if there are routine tasks, I do add them in as I am decorating, most likely. And I kind of have a good idea of what I have during the week, but it's so helpful to come back to my daily pages and see what's going on. So let me know in the comments, what type of planner are you? Are you a vertical weekly, hourly weekly? Are you a daily planner? How do you like to plan? I want to hear more about yourself. As always, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate y'all so much for coming week by week to watch my silly little planner videos. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you liked it. Subscribe for more planning content, reviews, tips and tricks. You name it, I have it here. And hit the bell for notifications so you never miss a video. Watch this video next. Bye!